A can of WD-40 that costs just a few dollars can prevent repair bills that easily go over $3,000. If you know exactly where to use it. The problem is, most people apply it in the wrong places, and that's when cheap turns expensive. Today, you're going to see the uses that actually work, where this product can save you from unnecessary expenses, and at the end, which version to choose and one specific place where you should never apply it. Let's start with a use that very few people know about, and one that even some mechanics don't talk about. Number 14. Vacuum leaks. If your car has ever had rough idle, stumbled at a stoplight, or triggered a check engine light for no obvious reason, there's a good chance it was a vacuum leak. This type of issue is small, hidden, but it completely disrupts the air-fuel mixture. The result: worse fuel economy, reduced performance, and an engine running outside ideal parameters. And this is where WD-40 comes in. With the engine running, you spray small amounts around vacuum hoses and connections. If there's a leak, the product gets sucked in, and the engine RPM changes instantly. Simple, direct, and no scan tool required. You can easily save between $60 and $150 just in diagnostic costs, and prevent bigger damage that can climb into the thousands. And here's an important detail. Compared to carb cleaner, WD-40 is less aggressive, less likely to damage sensors, and reduces fire risk under the hood. This is one of those old-school shop tricks that actually works. Now, if airflow is fine, the next issue might be in the signals. Number 13. Protecting electrical connectors. Electrical problems are sneaky. One day everything works. The next, you get sensor faults, intermittent issues, or a repair estimate that makes no sense. And in most cases, the cause is simple: moisture. Electrical connectors trap water over time, leading to corrosion and failure. Depending on the component, repairs can easily exceed $600 or more. WD-40 was originally designed to displace water. This is where it shines. By applying a light layer to connectors, always with the car turned off, you create a barrier against moisture and corrosion. This can prevent replacing wiring harnesses, sensors, or even issues with the ECU. Now, pay attention. For more sensitive electronics, the better option is WD-40 Specialist Contact Cleaner. It evaporates quickly, leaves no residue, and protects without interfering with performance. A small detail that prevents major headaches. Now let's talk about something almost nobody takes care of until it becomes a problem. Number 12. Rubber seal conditioning. You know when your car door feels stuck in cold weather or water starts getting inside. That's worn-out rubber seals. Over time, they dry out, lose flexibility, and begin to crack. And then the problem goes beyond comfort. Leaks, mold, bad smells, and even electrical damage. Depending on the case, repairs can go well over $1,000. Here, regular WD-40 is not the best choice. The right product is WD-40 Specialist Silicone. It keeps rubber flexible, protects against water, and prevents drying. Application is simple. Spray a light layer, spread it with a clean cloth, and you're done. Doing this every few months helps you avoid a problem most people only notice when it's already expensive. Now, a small issue that can quietly destroy your paint. Number 11. Removing tree sap. That sticky substance that appears out of nowhere on your car isn't just dirt. It's tree sap, and it's chemical. If you leave it there, it starts attacking your clear coat. Over time, it stains, dulls the finish, and may require polishing or even repainting. And that can cost anywhere from $300 to over $2,000 depending on the damage. WD-40 helps exactly here. It dissolves the sap without aggressive scrubbing. Just apply it on a cool surface, wait 1 or 2 minutes, and wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. After that, wash the area normally and, if possible, apply wax. Just don't overdo it. Never let it dry under direct sunlight. Used correctly, it's a cheap solution for a problem many people ignore until it's too late. Number 10. Protection against rust and corrosion. Your car's metal parts are constantly under attack from moisture, especially in places with rain, humidity, or coastal air. Over time, that turns into rust. A light application of WD-40 helps stop this process before it becomes a real expense. This is especially useful on chrome parts. When chrome starts oxidizing, it loses its shine and makes the car look worn out. The process is simple. Apply the product, let it sit for about 10 minutes, gently scrub with a cloth or soft brush, rinse, and finish with a light coat. The result is a cleaner, protected surface with a renewed look. Number 9. Eliminating squeaks and sticking parts. Few things are more annoying than a squeaky door or a stiff lock. Over time, hinges, latches, and mechanisms lose lubrication and start to bind and make noise. Before it turns into a bigger issue, a quick application of WD-40 solves it. It reduces friction, protects against rust, and keeps everything moving smoothly. One point many people forget is the hood latch. If it starts making noise when opening or closing, that's already a sign of wear. Using the straw applicator, you can reach tight spots precisely and avoid over-application. Now, full attention here. Never apply WD-40 on brakes. If your brakes are making noise, that's a warning, not something to mask. Spraying anything there can compromise braking performance and lead to serious accidents. Number 8. Removing moisture from the ignition system. Water and electrical systems do not mix. If moisture gets into the ignition system, your car may misfire, struggle to start, or not start at all. And this is exactly where WD-40 proves its name: water displacement. A light application on ignition components helps push moisture out and restore proper spark function. In older cars with distributors, this can literally bring the engine back to life. If the engine bay is wet, with the car turned off, a light application can help remove accumulated moisture. But there's an important limit. WD-40 is not engine oil. Never use it internally as a lubricant. Number 7. Protecting battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals are one of the most common and most ignored problems. That blue or greenish buildup blocks proper electrical flow. The result: faster battery drain, hard starts, and reduced battery lifespan. And the worst part? It usually shows up when you least expect it. The fix is simple. Use contact cleaner or WD-40 to remove the corrosion. Spray it on the terminals, scrub with a wire brush, and wipe it clean with a dry cloth. This restores proper electrical contact and prevents future issues. But pay attention, WD-40 is flammable. Never use it near sparks or open flames, and always work in a well-ventilated area. And forget those DIY tricks with soda or baking soda. If they get inside the battery, they can actually damage internal components. Number 6. Temporarily improving cloudy headlights. Yellowed headlights aren't just about looks, they're a safety issue. They reduce nighttime visibility and increase the risk of accidents. WD-40 can help, but let's be honest here, this is a temporary fix. Its solvents remove dirt and some surface oxidation, improving clarity right away. The process is simple. Clean the headlight with soap and water, apply WD-40, and spread it with a soft cloth. You'll see better shine and transparency, but it won't last. For a permanent solution, you'll need proper polishing or a restoration kit. Number 5. Full license plate cleaning. Over time, your license plate builds up heavy dirt, rust on screws, and wear around the edges. And this goes beyond appearance. It can actually get you a ticket in the US. The full process starts by removing the plate. If the screws are stuck, WD-40 helps loosen them. Then clean with warm water and detergent to remove surface grime. For tighter areas like corners and numbers, a cotton swab works well. At the end, a light application of WD-40 adds a finishing touch, removes remaining residue, and improves the overall look. Number 4. Restoring tire sidewalls. Dry-looking tires can make the entire car look older than it is. After cleaning with soap and water, WD-40 comes in, but only on the sidewalls. Never, under any circumstances, apply it to the tread. A light coat is enough to darken the rubber, add shine, and improve appearance. It can also help reduce minor surface drying. But here's the technical truth. This is mostly cosmetic. Dedicated tire products still perform better long-term. Number 3. Loosening stuck bolts. A rusted bolt can turn a simple job into a nightmare. In the engine bay, suspension, or undercarriage, this is extremely common. WD-40 works by applying it directly to the area, letting it sit for a few minutes, and trying again. It penetrates rust and reduces the force needed to loosen the bolt. If it doesn't come loose the first time, reapply and repeat. Besides making the job easier, it also helps prevent the issue from coming back. Number 2. Preventing mud buildup on wheels. If you drive on dirt roads or through mud, you already know how bad wheels can get. And the problem goes beyond dirt. When mud dries, it traps moisture against the metal, accelerating corrosion. A light coat of WD-40 creates a less adhesive surface, making buildup harder. The result: cleaner wheels for longer and reduced risk of rust. Number 1. Eliminating windshield wiper noise. That annoying wiper noise is usually a sign of dirt or dry rubber. The correct process starts by lifting the wiper blades. Then apply WD-40 to a cloth, never directly, and clean the rubber. This removes buildup and improves glide across the windshield. Finish with a dry cloth, and if you want an even better result, use alcohol to remove any residue. If the noise continues, there's no shortcut. The blades are worn out and need to be replaced.